Hey guys, so I have an iPhone 5 that I downloaded the latest iOS 7 on, and I wanted to show you that if you're running Straight Talk on the iPhone, that the SIM card swap with the T-Mobile SIM card does still work to change your APN settings and your data settings. So let's get to it. So I have my Straight Talk SIM card in here still. I'm going to pop it out and going to insert my T-Mobile SIM card, and it'll cycle through and say that I have a voicemail. It always does that with this T-Mobile SIM card. Anyway, so go to Settings, go to Cellular Data Network. Then while you have that open, double tap and have something running in the background like Notes, and open up Notes and pop out your SIM card. I'm going to set it back down for this, and then put in your Straight Talk SIM card, maybe hopefully a little more efficiently than I am, and then put your SIM card back in, hit OK. Now see, it shows searching, so just let it cycle through. It'll come up and show home, and then it takes a little bit for it to connect to the internet. Wait till it shows the whole thing, shows home and 4G. My phone, it shows 4G. If you have an iPhone 4, it'll only show 3G, but if you have a 4S and newer, it'll show 4G. It's not the LTE 4G. Okay, it's not the LTE 4G, but it is faster than the 3G on Verizon, I believe. But anyway, so it showed the 4G, so now double tap, go back to cellular data. Now see, it switched back to phone. And so what I would recommend here is go do att.mvno is what you're going to want. And then I would recommend to select this and copy it, because you're going to need it down here. Anywhere where it says phone, put in att.mvno. Then down here for MMSC, you're going to do mmsc.singular, CINGULAR.com. And then for the proxy, get rid of that whole line there and do 66.209.11.33. And then see if we go back up to the top here, it shows phone again, that this went blank, or this went back to default. That's why I recommend copying and pasting the AT&T.MVNO, because these things sometimes go back to default on this iOS 7. I don't know why. But if you come down here, when I originally set this up, this was messing up too. This went blank, or this went back to default. And now this is still good. But sometimes if you wait a minute, it'll switch back and it'll say phone down here, and then you have to paste it in there. So that's why I recommend copying and pasting that. It's up to you, but if I wait around here a little, I guess I won't, but oh, there it went. See, this went to phone, so I'll just copy and paste, go back to there, and then just make sure that everything's still good as long as it didn't go back to phone like this one went again. So it seems like every so many seconds it does it. So just make sure that's all good quick, and then go back and get out of it. Then you should be good. So now here's the real test. Hopefully I'm not too messed up here. My camera situation isn't the best. So if I go to Safari, I am going to search for Google. Now notice I am not on Wi-Fi. I am on 4G. And Google is working, as you can see. The bar is going up. We'll just search for something quick. We'll search for Hey. Comes up Hey Wiktionary. So it's really not too bad. It's pretty fast for only 2 bars out of 5. So just to show you that that worked, now I'm going to go to a photo, and I'm going to just take a photo like this, and I'm going to message it to 22 and send it. Oops, I don't know why it did that. Anyways, so just hit send. Now, I could have gone to the message thread and done it too, but I'm going to go in here just to show you that it is green, it's sending. Green means it's not iMessage. As you can see, it says text message. So to prove to you that I am not on Wi-Fi, the iMessage, or this is not an iMessage, and there's a fly crawling around here, and it is sending. It usually takes a little when it gets up to this point, but basically, so I hope that helps. Sorry for the moving around. My camera setup isn't the best, like I said, but there it went. I just wanted to show that this can be done and working on iOS 7. It is a little bit different how to get in there, and hopefully you can follow the steps okay. And the only other videos that I saw at this point just had the iOS 7 in beta version doing this, not the real one, and it's a little different. So I wanted to prove that it can be done, because it can be kind of scary to update and not know. So good luck. Hope that helps, and enjoy your iOS 7.